Now, in the time when open source AI agents are so popular, the one thing that costs a lot in using those AI agents is the API, right? Their pricing is heavy, especially when you are using it for the heavy purposes like building a software, doing a heavy kind of work. It costs a lot of money, right? So you can see like GPT 5.2 or GPT 5.2 Pro, you spend at least like $14 per million tokens. Now you will see that million tokens don't sound too much, right? I mean, like sounds a lot for a $14. But when you go for the heavy stuff work, right, it consumes a million tokens so easily, right? If you go for 5.2 Pro, you have to spend $168 for 1 million tokens. So it will cost not only for the output, but for the input, for the cache input as well, and for few more things as well. So when you use the local, when you host the open source agent on the local server, it will cost much more as well. So how do you avoid such high cost, right? I will show you today how you can get it done in a cheap way possible or even for the free, right? How you can get the API keys for all these popular models for free. So if you see over here, we have like this NVIDIA over here, and it offers various different kind of models, right? Like the K2.5, Cosmos Reason, it DeepSeek, and many more models over here. So it have like Nemo Retriever, Llama, GLM 4.7, Minimax N2.1, Step 3.5 Plus, DeepSeek V version 3.2. So it offers all of these models and also for free. You can use these models using the API key from the NVIDIA. And so if you are using, let's say, the OpenClaw or some other AI agent softwares where you need the API keys to run those softwares, right? You can simply use the API key from here, right? So the process to use it pretty simple. Simply first go to the NVIDIA website, okay, and log into your account over here. Once you do that, you can choose like different models you can see, right? DeepSeek, Parkit, Stockmark, whatever model that you wanted to use, Quen 3, you can simply choose that model, right? Go over here and in the Explore, and you can get the API key from here. So simply create the API key, right? And you can use your API key for this. Now, another thing, if you wanted the code to use, we can simply go on the model, choose the kind of model that you want over here. So let's say if I want to go with the GPT OSS 20B, I'll choose that, right? Then click. Once you do that, uh, for selected model. So let's say if I choose Minimax over here, choose that model, right? And click on view code. Now here you can get the code, you can get the base URL API key, you can copy this code and use it, right? So this is one way. You can either use the NVIDIA, or if you want to use, there is one more software that you can use to get the free API key. That is the Grok, right? So Grok also offer many different AI models, right? GPT OSS, Quen 3, 32, right? Llama 4 Scout, right? Orpheus English, Whisper Large version 3. So it also offers a lot of different AI models that you can use, right? So how you can use it, simply create account over here again, click on the API key over here and create your API key from this place, right? Give it a name, get your API key and then use it. Once you get the API key, you can choose the model over there also wherever you use it. So either you want to use it for OpenClaw, MemoBot, NanoBot, or any other AI agent softwares where you have to set the extra API keys to run the models, you can simply use the NVIDIA or the Grok, right? So I hope you like this video. I keep making the videos about the AI and the automations and how you can use AI to save your time to grow ahead in comparison to all the other people in the industry and get the most out of the AI. AI is already coming, you can't stop it. So you have to get the most out of it, right? Use it for your benefit. Subscribe this channel. I will make more videos about the AI and the automations and will let you know how you can get the benefit from it for yourself in your business and get more productive and make more money. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.